sheds. Hang on. Right. Duramax shed, yeah. This one.
Yeah. There's all bits of it, a few bits there. This is for flooring, get around to it. Anyway, obviously we need a base. So, level the ground off a bit. This is a 10 by 8 shed. I've used 9 bags. I've leveled the soil off. I've used 9 bags of builder's sand, so there's nothing in there. It's really smooth, but yeah, nothing in that. Now it comes with these pegs which are in here. Yeah. The kit, when you buy these from the ECODECK, comes with this weed, basically a weed membrane, get from anywhere. But what it's saying in the instructions is this bit here needs to be below ground, and it's supposed to clip them together there, and that's supposed to be in the ground, literally in the ground. Well, if you do that, it raises the decking quite a bit, so it means you can need loads more gravel, which I'll show you why we need that in a minute to stabilise this. So we've tied these together with cable ties. You can see there and there, just so you can do that. Structure is really solid. Yeah, it took us about 20 minutes to do. So when you've got your decking down, you then need some gravel, 10mm gravel. It's known as pea gravel. And literally, what we've got to do is pour it in these holes. But one thing I'd say beforehand is get your base with your sand levelish. Don't worry too much, because once you clip all this together, it levels itself up because it's so rigid, this plastic. And then all you do is literally fill all these holes in with the gravel. That then gives you such a rigid base. You wouldn't believe it. So I've bought 20 bags. I'm just going to try something out. See if one bag will fill a grid. So this is a grid here. And we need to fill each grid approximately.
It looks like it could fill it, actually.
Right, so I reckon.
Yeah, it looks like that might do that. Just about. There's some on the top as well.
Yeah. So if you allowed a bag grid and ordered 5 on top of that, so if you had 10 grids, you'd buy 10 bags of gravel, then add 5 on top. That's to fill all the little spaces in, etc. But I would say, for a shed base, having done a few before, this is the easiest route to it. So this grid for a 10 by 8 was 99 quid. Seems a lot of money, but the mess and hassle it saves. Gravel was probably 50 quid. Sand,
£40 for the pea gravel.
Yeah.
And the sand was not as much as that, it's cheaper.
30 quid say, because we've got 10 bags.
So nearly.
So I used 10 bags for this base. So your base is about 200 quid. Some people say, well, I've probably got slabs of cement down, but just remember this, you can take this up and move it.
Yeah.
Just bear that in mind.
You could cut those things, scoop all that gravel and put it in a bag if you want
can just
to.
lift them, and you can move this if you move, or you want to take it with you, or you want to move it somewhere else in the garden. Once you've got your slabs down, the concrete base is stuck there. So, for ease of use, quick delivery, quality product, especially with gravel in there. I mean, don't do a drive for this. I'll give it. It's another one where it just does what it says it does.
So this is ECODECK, is it?
Yeah.
It gives you a lot of instructions about how to
It's
fix
clear.
and stuff. Pretty good.
Bear in mind, we used cable ties. We didn't use things that came with it. So level your soil off, get rid of any turf, get it fairly level with a spade, put some sand on it, level it up, sort of fine, level, put it on, clip it together with put your weed barrier on and cable tie it together, done. Anyway, hope it's handy or useful for somebody, this video. But you can see it in action, it actually works. Yeah.
Thank you for watching.